Welcome back, guys. This is the latest update of our 30-way subscriber-requested coatings and sealants longevity test, this being update number 14, or the 8-month mark. But really quick, I wanted to show you what we had in the shop this week for PPF, correction, and coating. I have this 2023 Lamborghini Huracan STO, which is a remake of the original that was lost at sea in that big ship that sank, caught fire, etc. So our client was really excited that they restarted production for these 30 or so cars. We also have a 2023 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing with nearly 700 horsepower and 3 pedals. So truly a unicorn. Also has carbon ceramic brakes. Pretty much every option was checked on this one except for the automatic transmission. So 2 pretty cool cars in here this week. Just thought I'd share. So on to it, the last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen, is on your screen here. And of course, if you'd like to support the channel, all you got to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any experience, or if you've used any of these, or have you purchased any of these since starting this test because you like what you're seeing. If you do plan on purchasing any of these products, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it really does help the channel out so you can continue to see tests like this one. If you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of each of these videos, as there is a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing. So as usual, we will go ahead and foam everything down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it with an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt, and then of course rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything off. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are getting on. All right, jumping right into it. Simon Eye's Diamond Plate. Looks like it's performing very well. Tech 585 graphene. Kamikaze ISM Coat 2.0. All of those doing quite well. Black Rhino Advanced. That may be our first failure. There's a little bit that comes back. What do you think? Should we mark that one failed? Malco Epic Ceramic Coating. Sort of on a mid-level for price on that. Looks like it's not doing too hot. Naziol ZR53, made in Turkey, still doing all right. I think I picked that one up on Amazon. Nanobond, showing some signs of weakness, but still doing all right. And NV Evo Nova and NV Pro. Both of those doing quite well. NV Pro, as soon as the surface tension breaks there. Yeah, they're both doing all right. Not quite like day one. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro. That looks like that may be a failure this month. Yep, I think we're going to call that one failed. Blackfire Pro Black, made by B&B Blending or Adams. Not looking too great either, but there is a little bit of surface, or a little bit of hydrophobics remaining. Geon Pure Evo and MOHS Evo. MOHS Evo, much more hydrophobic than Pure Evo. But Pure Evo, there is just a little bit that remains. So it's weak at this point, not quite failed. Again, Geon doing great. FameLab Ceramic Light, very hydrophobic. Both of those products doing quite well. Adams Advanced Graphene, the coating, not the spray. Not doing too hot, sort of like the Blackfire product, about how it's performing. No surprise there, they're probably very similar products. Flit Ceramic Spray, looking pretty weak. Art to Shine A-Icon, also in the same boat. Art to Shine Hybrid Coat, looking all right though. Art to Shine Nano Graphene, much more hydrophobic. And Art to Shine Graphene BX Coating, still hanging in there, but it's got a little weakness on it. And that is it for the month. So we do have some pretty good standouts. The surprising one for me on this one would probably be FameLab Ceramic Light. That's my first experience using FameLab products. And the Kamikaze ISM Coat. But Shine Supply Beadlock Pro is going to be our failure. We have a few others, Black Rhino, that are well on the way. And every now and then I like to throw in the original hydrophobic video. So this is the first rinse when the test was brand new 8 months ago. You can see even Malco Cherry Flash, which is the very inexpensive standard wax, still very hydrophobic. So I will shut up and just let it roll and you guys can watch super hydrophobic hoods. So there's your update, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.